Imagine harvesting a sweet, juicy pineapple right from your own garden. It might sound like a tropical dream, especially if you live outside the warmest climates. But with a few simple steps, growing your own pineapple in North America is entirely achievable. Pineapples are not just delicious, they are also surprisingly resilient plants. They make fantastic container plants, perfect for patios or sunny indoor spots. Plus, the satisfaction of eating a fruit you grew yourself is unmatched. It's a rewarding project for any home gardener. Your journey begins at the grocery store. Select a fresh, ripe pineapple with healthy green leaves. Avoid any fruit with brown or yellowing leaves or signs of disease. The fruit itself should be firm and golden. Carefully twist the leafy crown off the top of the pineapple. You want to remove it cleanly from the fruit. Peel off a few of the lower leaves, exposing about an inch of the stem. This is where the roots will emerge. Make sure to remove any small pieces of fruit flesh still attached to the crown. These can rot and hinder root development. Allow the crown to dry for a day or two in a warm, dry spot. This helps prevent rot. There are two main methods for rooting your pineapple crown. The first is water rooting. Suspend the crown over a glass of water, ensuring only the bottom inch is submerged. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh. Alternatively, you can root directly in soil. Plant the prepared crown in a small pot filled with well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Roots typically appear within a few weeks. Once your crown has developed a good root system, it's time to plant it in a larger pot. Choose a container at least 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Ensure it has excellent drainage holes. Use a well-draining potting mix, ideally one formulated for cacti or succulents. Pineapples prefer slightly acidic soil. Plant the rooted crown so the base of the leaves is just above the soil line. Pineapples are tropical plants, so they love sunlight. Place your potted plant in the sunniest spot available, ideally receiving at least 6 hours of direct sun daily. South-facing windows are excellent indoors. Water your pineapple plant thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Allow excess water to drain completely. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Reduce watering in cooler months. During the growing season, from spring to fall, fertilize your plant every 2 to 3 months. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. A slow-release granular fertilizer also works well. Pineapples thrive in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. If you live in a colder North American climate, bring your plant indoors before the first frost. Protect it from cold drafts. Pineapple plants typically take 2 to 3 years to produce fruit. Patience is key. To encourage fruiting, you can try a trick using ethylene gas. Place a ripe apple or banana near your plant and cover both with a plastic bag for a week. The ripening fruit releases ethylene, which can stimulate flowering. This method doesn't guarantee fruit, but it often helps. Ensure your plant is mature enough before attempting this. Once a flower stalk appears, a small pineapple will begin to form. It will take several months for the fruit to ripen. The skin will change from green to yellow, and the fruit will emit a sweet aroma. When about 2/3 of the pineapple's skin has turned yellow, it's ready to harvest. Simply twist the fruit off the stalk or cut it with a sharp knife. Enjoy your homegrown tropical treat. Growing your own pineapple is a rewarding experience that brings a touch of the tropics to your home. With a little care and patience, you can enjoy fresh, delicious pineapples right from your own garden. Happy growing!